So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Poly-B into PEX plumbing. I want to change my sink and faucet, but I can't easily do so because there's no shutoff valve down here. And they don't sell shutoff valves for Poly-B. At least in Canada, it was discontinued in 2005. And the shutoff valve or any other fitting you'll buy in the stores are made to connect to PEX. So I'll need to convert the Poly-B to PEX, and to do so, I have this adapter kit. I got mine at Home Depot for about $7 Canadian, made by SharkBite. It comes with 2 crimp rings. The copper crimp ring is for the Poly-B side, and the darkened copper ring is for the PEX side. And on the adapter, the fatter side is for the Poly-B, and the more narrow side is for the PEX. Once you've got the water shut off, you'll need to make a nice straight cut through the Poly-B pipe. A pair of these cutters will cost you about $10 at Home Depot. Then you thread your copper colored crimp ring over top of the Poly-B and the fatter side of the adapter into the Poly-B piping. Now with the crimping tool in hand, you can grab that crimp ring and slide it up over top of the adapter and get the crimping tool in there. Once that's in place, crimp down on the tool until you hear that click, and then your adapter is securely fastened to the Poly-B portion. I borrowed this crimping tool from a friend, but in the past I have rented it from Home Depot for, I think it was about $5 Canadian, and I had it for 6 hours. And then with the same cutters, you can cut a piece of PEX piping a few inches long. Minimum of 2 inches between adapters is the standard for PEX piping, no less than that. I bought a 10-foot length of this for just a few dollars. It's pretty cheap, and that slides over top of the PEX side of the adapter. And now it's the dark colored washer that came with the adapter kit that slides over top, and we repeat the process with the crimping tool. Slide the ring up and down till it's in the right place, and once it is, crimp on the tool until you hear the click. And now you have the PEX pipe securely fastened to the adapter. Now the last thing to do is install the shutoff valve. Cost me about $17 Canadian from Home Depot, and the adapter kit only comes with the 2 washers for the adapter, so I had to buy another bag of crimp rings to install the shutoff valve. Again, you thread down the crimp ring first, insert the shutoff valve into the PEX, orientate the shutoff lever so it's facing you, and then with the crimp tool we'll grab a hold of our ring just lightly and slide it up right where we want it and crimp down until you hear the click. And now our shutoff valve is securely fastened to the PEX piping. So now we have our shutoff valve installed, and the old Poly-B piping is completely free from the sink and faucet above. We just have to repeat the process for the other side, and we'll be able to remove the sink and faucet. Just make sure before you turn the water back on, you turn off the shutoff valve so water doesn't get out, and the threaded nut at the top of the shutoff valve unscrews, and that threaded portion is ready to receive the plumbing from any new faucet that you buy. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, please leave a like and definitely a comment. I love reading them. They mean a lot and they help a lot too.